Welcome to module number 1. So for our student learning outcome, we're looking at that really foundation for epidemiological principles, and as far as the specific objectives for this module, we're going to dive into laying that foundation for your epidemiological future, so to speak. So we're going to be looking at the concepts of primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention. We're going to look at epidemiology in the context of nursing practice, look at the history, and really look at the global impact as far as epidemiology. So with the overview, our to-do list includes this overview, of course, and you're going to be doing introductions. So you want to do your introduction, and that is in the discussion board. You can access it using the discussion right here, and there's also a link in the module itself, but you can click on discussions, go and introduce yourself to your classmates, and then we're also going to have discussion board number 1 as well. So that's 2 separate things, so keep that in mind. You're going to do your introduction, and then you're going to do your discussion board for this module. You will be taking a look at your Merrill textbook, chapters 1 and 2. So with that being said, there are resources within the module for you, and there's a PowerPoint overview of your textbook, as well as just some foundation as far as really the evolution of practice, and we're looking at the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention resources, and these resources you will find to be very helpful for you as you move forward. So there's a number of different resources and the different types of studies that are out there, and we're going to be addressing those as we move forward in the course itself. So just remember that this is here within module number 1, and you'll have the module available to you throughout the course so that you can access this material, maybe to do assignments or to do future discussion boards as well. And know that there is a resource book also for you. With that being said, there's an overview of the MMWR, and know that we will be using the morbidity and mortality weekly report as we move forward in the course as well. And this kind of breaks down how the course is how the MMWR is structured, and this has a nice overview of that particular structure. So just know that those resources are foundational and they're here for you in the course. You'll also have the links to the discussion board here, but like I said, you can always navigate to the discussion boards through the toolbar across the top. And remember, if you ever get lost in the course, go to Course Home, and that will pop you back to the opening page of the course itself. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I look forward to getting started with you.